Is Tesla stock going to see $700 plus tomorrow? What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be covering Tesla stock and its final trading day of the year 2020. If you guys haven't already, make sure you guys leave a like on the video. It takes a couple seconds and it tremendously helps out the channel and me creating this free content for you guys. Without further ado, let's hop right in. So yesterday, Elon Musk tweeted out all cars delivered in the final 3 days of the year will get 3 months of the full self-driving option for free. Delivery and docks must be fully complete by midnight December 31st. This almost hinted me that they're really close to hitting these Q4 delivery numbers that are literally a couple days away. We're expecting around 180,000 or so. I believe even just at this number, they're already even increasing from the last quarter. I don't remember quite how many cars they delivered last quarter, but I know definitely 180K still puts them up above Q3. Also, small profit today, guys. Nothing too crazy. Usually, my biggest days are when Tesla dips aggressively, just like in this case we had here earlier this month on December 22nd when it hit 614s. Watch the whole number of 700 and the $half mark of 650, which I don't think will pull back to 650 next week. I think the momentum is definitely going to carry on in anticipation of these delivery numbers. So as for a break past 700, usually a stock tends to break above the whole number by a couple points. In this case, I think Tesla can see 710, maybe if the momentum and the volume is there, which it hasn't really been that volatile since its first inclusion in the S&P 500. If you guys day trade this and watch this minute by minute, you guys know what I'm talking about. The aggressiveness in the swings isn't too much there, but that's not to say the uptrend isn't there. The uptrend is there. We hit new all-time highs. So I think we can see some 720s if we see some momentum and volume coming into the new year. But of course, favorably for me, if it tips down back to 670s or so, maybe even 650s, that is where I'm going to be buying. So hence the small trading days lately. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be watching. I know recently there's been a new mutation of the strain. This morning I saw there were 24, one yesterday in Colorado. Now there's 24 suspicious cases. And right now, as I just got home, Gavin Newsom, see if I could try to find this, said there was one case here in California. So watch that news out, see how that spreads, that news spreads into the headlines coming into the new year, and how it can have an effect on stocks. Also, January 9 is the day for NEO Day, where they're going to announce their new ET7 vehicle. So right now, based off the 5-minute, NEO has been coming off the resistance right around 49, bounce off 42. You guys know my entry is ideally right around sub 40s, right around $35 area. I think it's already going to start moving headed into January 9, in which that following week we can see some momentum in anticipation. Just like Tesla is seeing some move right now, I'm going in for the Q4 numbers. I think NEO can see that momentum headed into that event. Also, Alibaba, man, oh man, that this one gap up this morning, and it literally hit our price target. We were talking about Alibaba bouncing the 240s, and I didn't even get to play this. This literally left my hands like this. That move we expected to 240s, it went up to 245 pre-market. I expected that to happen over the course of a week, maybe even 2 weeks, not in a couple of days. But just like I said, it was definitely oversold. And we said on Thanksgiving, when it officially fell, was that let the weekend pass by. Let investors and traders see that this is definitely oversold and it's going to be a dead cat bounce. That's exactly what happened after gapping up continuously. And today we saw a pullback on market open. Now, here's the case. That pre-market resistance, or the after hours drop here we had right to the 240s, it's honoring that today. That 240 resistance is there. So it could double bottom around 235 and come on back down. Don't be surprised if this drops down to 225, maybe even 220s before it finds a new support level right around that level. And it could continue to move back up and come back to its trading level right around the 250s. So that's pretty much it. Tesla, of course, I'm going to be watching. I already have my trading plan, guys. If this dips down to 670s, I'm going to be buying there. If it breaks past 700, which I think it can also pull back. So my plan here is this: if this breaks past 700, touches 710, 720, it can definitely pull back down to 690s. So that's what I think would happen. But we'll see how much hype and momentum and volatility pours into Tesla stock headed into tomorrow. and especially into January 1st of 2021, which is literally going to be a couple days before the Q4 deliveries. Trade what's in front of you guys. Trade what you see, not what you hope. So I hope Tesla pulls back in order for me to get entry, but that's very unlikely. So trade what I see. It can possibly easily break past $700 tomorrow. It's probably going to even gap up pre-market past 700. So that's pretty much it from you guys. If you guys found this video helpful, leave a like on the video. Comment below what you think, your positions, your plans, not just Tesla stock, it could be any other stock, and subscribe and check out the first thing down below, which is our free Discord chat room. With that being said, thank you guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for the final trading day. How exciting of 2020. Take care.